Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix GTA 5 Unrecoverable Fault. So let's start. For the first step, go to the Windows taskbar, click on this hidden upside arrow, and then make sure you have no game launcher is running in the background, either if you have it on Epic Games or Steam. Right click and then select exit. Now wait for a couple of moments. After that, for the next step, go to the Windows search bar and look for NVIDIA app. Now if you don't find it, or if you do have an AMD graphics card, you just need to go to the AMD application, or you just need to download either one from the web browser. Now open it, this will pop up. Make sure to sign up and log in with the right credentials. Now what you need to do is go to drivers in the left menu. After that, make sure to download the latest available driver you will find by clicking on this install button. After that, choose between Express or custom installation and click on continue to start the installation process. Now go home and then go to settings and make sure to switch off this NVIDIA overlay. Now once you do that, make sure to open the launcher that you have the game on. Doesn't matter if it is Epic Games or Steam. Now go to your library and look for the game, which is Grand Theft Auto. After that, as you can see here, these three dots below the picture, you need to click that. If you do have the game, you will see this manage option, so select it. After that, you'll be prompted to verify the files of the game, so you need to click on verify. That way any corrupted file will be recovered safely and any missing file will be restored without the need to download the game from the start once again. And that's it. If you find it helpful, consider like and subscribing, and see you on the next one.